Hi there. I just wanted to quickly show you how to integrate SimpleLocalize to your Shopify store. So first, install the SimpleLocalize app from the link, like this one. We give all the access that is needed. We install it, and here we connect Shopify to an existing project in SimpleLocalize or create a new one. Let's create a project named Shopify and let's connect it. Here is the configuration page. You can see the resources and decide what translations you would like to manage in this project. So just save settings, select the resources you would like to synchronize, and click on Synchronize Translations to receive current translations from Shopify. Then go to Translations and you can see all the information. For example, you have a collection in here. Here is a product title, like this one. So now, if you want to manage translations, add new languages, then you need to add those languages on Shopify. So let's go here to Settings, Languages, and let's add a language. Let's add French here. Okay, for this domain, and let's add Spanish here. Okay, perfect. So here in SimpleLocalize we can synchronize again to get those languages. Okay, they are here, so let's select them. They will appear in SimpleLocalize automatically. Let's just save the changes. Okay, so we have all the languages. Now we can manage translations. So you can just add translations manually or just run auto translations for all languages from here. Okay. Okay, everything is done. As you can see here, we have our translations in Spanish and French. So every change you make in SimpleLocalize in translations is synchronized with Shopify. So when we refresh, after a moment, after a few minutes, it should show translations, and we will be able to preview translations in the store. So let's wait a moment and let's check if it works fine. Okay, we have Spanish, so we can preview translations in here. So we translate all the products, so you can see here that it's translated to Spanish. We can preview French like this. Yeah, so it looks good. So this way, this is like an easy way to synchronize translations. When you make any change to translation in SimpleLocalize, it will be updated instantly in your Shopify store. The same way, if you add new product, anything on Shopify, you can just synchronize with Shopify to get all the text, all the content from Shopify added to SimpleLocalize so that you can manage it from here. So SimpleLocalize lets you manage translations from one place. You can invite your team members, translators. You can track the review status of your translations. So it should be much easier to manage translations for your Shopify store. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help. Thanks. Bye-bye.